Hello and welcome to Chili Cube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Originally from Birmingham in the United Kingdom, 38 years ago I believe now, so I've been in Australia quite a long while. So I consider I'm an Aussie now. Rightio, I had these little tray of paints mixed up. I was testing some glue that I never normally use, so I just thought I'm going to use these for a dip because they're quite thick, and I find that when you do a dip, it's good if you've got your paints quite thick. So I think I'm going to dip one canvas onto the other. So this is a really easy beginner's pour to start with if you haven't done acrylic pouring, but you kind of want to get your hand in on it first and give it a try. So I just find it's just an easy peasy way of doing your first pour. So I've just got some paint mixed up. It's just the white mixed up. It's the global impasto mixed up with my pouring medium. All the instructions and links to the video of my pouring medium and how I make it are in the drop down box underneath this video. So if you just press on the title of this video, drop down box will appear. So I actually think I might coat both of the covers, both of the canvases. So it's only a thin coat really, because I'm just going to see what these particular colours work out like. They're kind of the primary colours, so I'll just give it a go, see what comes out. Got these paints left over rather than throw them away because they didn't give me the desired effect in a bigger piece that I did, so just got those left, and I'll just see what I can do with them. Rightio. Like I said, this is a very easy beginner's pour that you usually can get some good results if your paint consistency is okay. So I will start with this, which is phthalo blue. Do I want to do, maybe I'll just do some kind of wiggles all over it. Not any particular. No pattern. Normally when I'm doing a dip, I'll do chevrons, which are V's. I'll do V's on it, so I'll do a few of them and a few of the wiggles. Wiggles. So like I said, I'm not sure if this is going to come out because it was a glue that I don't normally use as a pouring medium, and I wasn't happy with the results. So, but I thought, well, it just might do a dip. That's why I think you can't normally go wrong with a dip, except if your paints are too thin. If your paints are too thin, your dip will just go mush to mush, which I've had plenty of those, believe me. So I'll use up this last little bit of white with sort of the wiggles all over it. And then I will put a little bit of this black in. Again, I'll do the wiggly bits. I'm just thinking now that I did add a little bit of silicone to this particular mix because I couldn't get nothing attractive out of the glue. So I added a bit of silicone, and I don't add silicone to dips normally. So there you go. It's just like a dog's breakfast. Nothing. Let's see if I can get something out of it. Rightio. Just put your canvas on top. You should be wearing gloves, but I just got carried away. And then just gently press your canvas, but quite firmly. And just hope and pray that your colours don't go to mud. I might turn it over so it transfers the paint onto the other canvas. So as I said, hopefully this should be an easy first pour for somebody if you haven't tried it. And this is great to do with children. If you've got children that want to have a go, this is really nice to do with kids. So if there's any areas that have not got paint on them, then that's where my trusty balloon comes in. Oh my goodness! Oh, that's a buster! That's a bust. That is a really good little pour to do if you've not ever done acrylic pouring before, and very good to do with children, like I said. But this is going into 1,000,000,000,000 cells, because I did put one drop of Helmar silicone, because I couldn't get any nice results with that particular glue mix. So now that is way too many cells. I'm not even going to put the heat on that, because that'll just go into Cell City. But aren't the colours just so vibrant and jumping off the canvases? So very good pour, or to do with for your first time, and especially with children, because they will love that result. So it's just a quickie. I'm coming to you today. I was just using up those paints. I would love to see those colours now without any silicone in, because it's too many cells, but it's very bright and it's very lovely. That absolutely children will love that. So just a quickie for today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye for now. Holy dooly, look at all these cells. I thought I'd bring you down. It's just like gems everywhere. It has just gone into crazy. There's crazy scary faces in there. There's little animals forming, little animal faces. There's a crazy one, looks like a fireman with a hat on there and a red face. It is just pretty amazing what shows up in your pores. Like reading your tea leaves, isn't it? Read your pores, because there's such a lot that shows up in there. A little seal's face in there. But the colours are outstandingly bright. But yeah, so I never put no heat on that, and it's absolutely crazy cells galore. So yeah, please have a try.